Vast difference from how you fixity is still there, but it is better. He has to still go. He has this fixity of going to McDonald's. He wants his burger. That is there. But now the mother is taking it as a, the thing is, it's not only important to treat a child, but also the mother. Remember. Because what we learned during addiction, I did my PG in addictions also, and we were taught that all our, हमारा पूरा ध्यान addict पे होता है, but you should also look at his family, wife को देखो, उनके बच्चों को देखो, वो भी co-addict बन गए हैं. We have to look at the whole family as a unit. So with autism also, I have this approach that we have to see the whole family. Look at the mother. Many of these mothers are vanilla, remember. I have learned this remedy vanilla recently, and I saw that vanilla is a very, very important. Vanilla and cocculus, these are the two remedies which are the rubric ailments from too much care and worry over a loved one. So cocculus or vanilla, दो ही remedies हैं, and this vanilla has worked, miraculously in most of the mothers with autistic, ADHD, learning, behavior. इतने frustrated mothers रहते हैं, इतने angry mothers रहते हैं, but फिर भी अपना काम करते रहते हैं. Cocculus एक बार accept कर लेता है, you know cocculus is accepting reality. तो वो accept कर लेगी क्या मेरा बच्चा है मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. But vanilla mother है वो continuously कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. So that is a different. These two are the common remedies that are used for mothers of autism. These are the few rubrics that we look for. Ailments from shame, ailments from fright, being neglected, indignation, grief, fright. Ailments from abuse, of course, is a huge rubric. Okay? Now, when we look at Rura, or Dr. Shankar also says that it is lies between the tubercular and syphilitic miasm, also known as the leprosy miasm. So leper miasm, the feeling of a leper. And when you see the mother, exactly, even his feeling is like a leper is being thrown out from the home. The mother was treated absolutely like a burden. She was thrown out. Even he wanted to be there and he was thrown out of the house. Right? So intense, rapid, hectic activity leading to destruction. They have a feeling of being forsaken with lot of delusions. Visual things that she's about to lose a friend, lost affection, alone in the world, deserted. He becomes quite frustrated, can get destructive, even to the extent of self-destruction. We saw how he was eating. Now, one more remedy that was coming in my mind was lysinum, remember. Lot of self-destructive autistic kids are given hydrocominum or lysinum, where there is a lot of destruction, hitting their head back, falling on the ground and hurting themselves. Okay, even Monster Salventer is there. Stramonium, yes, Stramonium, but Stramonium will also have a lot of violence and fear of night. I have seen many babies, many autistic kids, the mother would say, इसको एक लाइट तो लगता है, रात को अंधेरे में सो ही नहीं सकता. या पूरा लाइट लगेगा या कम से कम कहीं कोने में एक लाइट चाहिए उसको, वो Stramonium. So these are the rubrics of Pura, all of you know. Comparatively it is less given remedy. So I am seeing him for some time now. His obsessions are better 80%. Still rigidity of thoughts, ritualistic behavior hai abhi. Started interacting also more in positive way. Irritability and violence is much better. Not eating, that is very, very important. Screaming has stopped completely. Stools में जो burning, जो screaming करता था stools से, so physicals भी cover होने चाहिए. It's not only the mind, remember. But at the same time, we are not looking entirely at the mind also, remember. Okay? Sleep is much better, refreshed. So Pura was given.
Speaker के लिए पानी.
And
Speaker
overall
के लिए
his obsessions
पानी.
are better now. Interactions better. School sleep okay. Most important is become more productive. Remember, after the remedy, what happens is you have to see how we can put this child into the society. एक 19 साल 20 साल का लड़का है, वो घर पे बैठ के सिर्फ टैब खेलता रहे नहीं, बाहर भी जाना चाहिए उसको, इंटरेक्ट करना है लोगों के साथ, ग्रोसरीज लाना है, अगर पैसे की लेन देन आ रही है उसको, तो we have made him okay, possibly एकदम completely तो उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकते, but creativity और उसको productive कर दिया है. Irritability और violence उसका totally गया है, sleep is much better. So that's what we have done, right, with Pura. We have given 2 doses every time, over 6 months, over a year, 2 doses every month we have given Pura. 30. We started with 30, went on to 200. So we see that the effect of abuse on the mother has damaging effects on the unborn fetus and can lead to various birth anomalies, also learning and behavioral disorders. Homeopathy has excellent scope in autism and a history of trauma